फर्स्ट रिएक्शन ऑन बॉलीवुड मूवी में आप सबका स्वागत है। ABCD एनीबॉडी कैन डांस। इसको एडवर्टाइज किया गया कि ये मूवी 3D में रिलीज होगी। अनफॉर्चुनेटली हम इस मूवी को 3D वर्जन में नहीं देख पाए। लोग बहुत ही बेसब्री के साथ इस मूवी का इंतजार कर रहे थे क्योंकि ये पहली डांस के ऊपर ये मूवी बनाई गई है, जो कि आई थिंक बॉलीवुड में ऐसा नहीं हुआ। नंबर 2, प्रभु देवा की एक्टिंग को देखने के लिए लोग बेकरार थे। नंबर 3, रेमो डिसूजा की ये पहली डायरेक्टेड मूवी है। ओपनिंग वाज नॉट दैट ग्रेट क्योंकि इसी सप्ताह यहां पे 2 मूवीज रिलीज हुई। चलो देखते हैं कि न्यूजीलैंड के जो डांसर्स हैं वो इस मूवी को लेकर क्या सोचते हैं और उनकी क्या आशाएं हैं इस मूवी को लेकर। चलो मिलवाते हैं one of the great dancer of New Zealand, Auckland, Azhar.
Hello, how's it going, guys?
Azhar, ये बताओ कि इस मूवी को लेकर आप क्या सोचते हैं कि ये मूवी कैसी होगी and how it gonna do in New Zealand?
Well, it's obviously the first Bollywood dance movie. It's 3D. Remo is doing it, and I've been watching Dance India Dance, and obviously most of the actors are from Dance India Dance, na? So I feel a bit connected to them because I've been watching them dance from when they started, and then you as a dancer we go through the same pain, so when I watch this movie I'm pretty sure I'm going to be able to relate to it very strongly. So I'm looking forward to it. I'm pretty sure it will do well. I'm pretty sure it's going to take time for people to adjust to it because it's going to be something new, obviously.
Yeah, do you think that कि इस मूवी में जो है आपको वो सब देखने को मिला जो आप देखना चाहते थे? Expectations were high, I know that.
Yeah.
But आपको लगता है कि you are satisfied with the movie?
Well, it was very Bollywood, It was a very good dance Bollywood movie. But if you were trying to compare it to international standards, it didn't quite get there. But it kept its originality. So there's good points and bad points from my side. But it was overall, I liked it. I enjoyed it.
Do you think that you're looking for ABCD Part 2?
I'm looking forward to it. To be in it, maybe, hopefully.
Yeah. Thank you very much, Azhar,
No
for your precious time.
Thank you.
And guys, हम लोग आगे चलते हैं and we'll talk about the casting. वेलकम बैक। लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द कास्टिंग। प्रभु देवा जिन्होंने लीड रोल किया है इस मूवी में, एक टीचर और कोरियोग्राफर का। अगर इन्हें डांसिंग और एक्टिंग में से कोई एक चीज चूज करनी पड़े तो हम सजेस्ट करेंगे कि ही शुड चूज डांसिंग ओनली। देयर इज नो डाउट दैट ही इज अ गुड कोरियोग्राफर। पीपल एंजॉयड हिज एक्टिंग इन द मूवी दो। गणेश आचार्य, we are really surprised to see his acting. He can act. He proved us. KK Menon, जिन्होंने एक नेगेटिव रोल किया है, as usual very polished actor. He did the great job. I think this role suits him. Lauren जो कि रिया बनी है, she is looking very graceful, very good dancer, and she is good looking girl as well. Salman did the good job, very good dancing skills. Dharmesh का ये first step है into acting, so he proved us that he can act as well. Prince is very famous in New Zealand, though we couldn't see his much acting skill in the movie, so we missed Prince's role. Let's talk about the movie. Casting was okay. I think that was the requirement of the movie. डायरेक्शन के बारे में बात करते हैं. It was not that great. I think एडिटिंग में बीच में थोड़ी बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स हुई हैं. स्टोरी very inspirational. People enjoyed it. Very good line. It picked up at the end. Music not that Bollywood type of music, but हाँ, जो गणेशा का जो सॉन्ग था, it was very well incorporated with modern music. Dance superb choreography. I think people enjoyed at the end. Let's see न्यूजीलैंड की ऑडियंस को ये मूवी कैसी लगी.
Oh, one of the best movies I have ever seen. I'm gonna book another ticket for it.
Oh my gosh, you want to see it again? Okay, what's the best part you liked it?
Um,
The end bit.
the end bit and the whole movie, the dance.
Okay, what about the guys? Did you like the guys?
Oh my god, if this movie was in 3D, I would just hold them and kiss them. Oh my god, this movie was so awesome. We are booking our next session as soon as we can. And the end bit was the best bit, because nobody can just, it's only them who can just come out from nowhere and perform brilliantly. Oh my god, I had goosebumps all over me. It was awesome.
And you wanted to dance at the end, isn't it?
Oh my god, I was. I was dancing on my seat. Oh my god, if only I had a stage on, I would dance with Dharmesh and Remo on the scene.
Beautiful. तो ये है न्यूजीलैंड का रिव्यू ऑडियंस. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
अब ये बताइए आपको ABCD कैसे लगी?
It was okay, but too long.
Okay, too long.
Yeah.
Yes, we got another review. Yeah.
Yeah,
So,
thank you.
what do you think that कि क्या long था इसके अंदर? What was the longest
They
part?
were just stretching it too much, It should have been all a bit quicker, I think.
Yeah, I think the youngsters they want fast pace, isn't it?
Yeah, it gets too boring.
It's too boring in the
Yeah,
middle. I think so.
yeah.
What about the last part?
Yeah, it was good.
It was good.
Yeah, it was kind of like Step Up, the English movie. Yeah.
Yeah, it's kind of a step up. Eh?
Yeah.
So, how many marks you would like to give?
Out of
5,
3.
3.
Yeah.
Okay, we got 3. What's your name?
My name is Sumit.
Sumit, कैसी लगी आपको ABCD?
Fabulous. I
Fabulous?
Can say. Yeah, the person who loves dancing will enjoy that.
है ना?
Yep.
जितने भी लोग न्यूजीलैंड में डांस कर रहे हैं या सीख रहे हैं, I think you must watch it, isn't it?
Yeah. I'm quite sure the person who are loving, they want to dance, they will surely like it.
कितने मार्क्स देना चाहेंगे 5 में से?
I will give 5.
5 out of 5, sir.
It's been proven by Remo D'Souza, the person who can not dance, by seeing this movie, he will love to dance that.
Of course, I can see that in the movie. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Famida को कौन नहीं जानता? She is one of the dance show organizer. She organized Desi Dancing Queen. Yeah, upcoming show. So Famida, ये बताओ, ये मूवी को देखकर आपको कैसा लगा?
I think all dancers can relate to it because इसमें दिखाता है how people deceive you, and it also shows the passion for dancing. Anyone who has passion for dancing, they'll love this movie. Remo, 5 out of 5.
Okay, what about Prabhudeva?
Prabhudeva was awesome. He did awesome acting. I really loved him.
अच्छा, एक क्वेश्चन बड़ा टफ क्वेश्चन मैं पूछ रही हूँ.
क्या?
डांसिंग अच्छी थी या एक्टिंग अच्छी थी प्रभुदेवा की?
Acting. I like Dharmesh. His dancing was really good. Salman was also very good.
Salman was
All
very good.
DID stars were there, so it was a bonus in itself.
Okay.
Or very good storyline. No, it's not. I've seen Step Up. It's not stolen from them. It's an original storyline.
Do you think? मुझे भी ऐसा लगा कि हमारे इंडिया में जो है इस तरह की सिचुएशंस आती है. पेरेंट्स जो है वो डांस को कुछ समझते नहीं, isn't it? Do you think कि न्यूजीलैंड, बिकॉज आप खुद एक डांस ऑर्गेनाइजर हैं, डांस शोज ऑर्गेनाइजर हैं, आपको लगता है कि यहाँ पे पेरेंट्स जो है वो बच्चों को जो है रोकते हैं कि ओ डांसिंग इज बेकार, हाँ फालतू की है? ये मूवी देखने के बाद आपको लगता है कि
Parents should encourage the kids
Parents
to
should
dance.
encourage, and there is
There's
a
a lot
future.
of message in this movie, right?
People should watch.
They should go and watch
Okay.
this movie.
रेमो को तो आपने 5 out of 5 दे दिया.
रेमो देखेगा.
पूरी मूवी को कितना देना चाहेंगे 5 में से?
5. Definitely.
5. So
Go and
she
watch
loved it, man. She loved it. Thank you very
Thank
much,
you,
Famida.
Tanya.
Thank you. I've got some gorgeous girls here. Okay, tell me about how did you find the movie?
It was very inspirational. It was really, it was an amazing movie. I really liked it. Yeah, it's really inspirational. Like, it tells you to never lose hope. If you want to do something, go for it. And especially dance. If you know you can do it, you can do it. And teamwork is always one of the best ideas. Like, it always works out. Yeah,
I think I got the it's same happening here, because I feel that so as well. I was missing the passion and the teacher and student relation as well, isn't it? And after watching this movie, you just realize that how important is that,
Yeah.
Isn't it? Okay, you tell me, how did you find the movie?
I found the movie amazing and inspirational too, and it was really my type. It was really fun.
Do you dance?
Not really.
After watching movie, would you like to dance?
Yes, of course.
Yes. Thank you. न्यूजीलैंड के ऑडियंस का रिव्यूज जानने के बाद हम इस कंक्लूजन पर पहुंचे हैं कि द स्टार्ट ऑफ द मूवी वाज स्लो बट पिक्ड अप नाइसली एट द एंड। इसमें हमें देखने को मिला ग्रेट स्टूडेंट एंड टीचर रिलेशनशिप, फ्रेंडशिप, ऑनेस्टी एंड ट्रस्ट। डायरेक्शन वाज नॉट दैट ग्रेट, बट अगर ये मूवी 3D में होती तो शायद इसका इम्पैक्ट कुछ और ही होता। मोरल ऑफ द स्टोरी, असली हीरे की परख एक जोहरी को ही होती है। अनफॉर्चुनेटली, विद ऑल ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट, अगर इसमें प्रभु देवा नहीं होते तो शायद इस मूवी का जो असर है वो कुछ और ही होता, बिकॉज वी मिस्ड द enthusiasm in his acting. At the nutshell, we wanted to give 2.5 points out of 5. नेक्स्ट टाइम आपके साथ हो जाएंगे हम स्पेशल 26 का रिव्यू लेकर विद शाहरुख।